Budget cuts are in full swing in the Florida legislature, and health care is likely to take a big hit. Negotiations are ongoing, but some proposals would cut up to $1 billion in state health care dollars. ABC 27's Todd Morrill checked in with local health agencies to see what effects these cuts would have to them. He joins us now with the details. Todd.
Well, Lauren, one of the proposed cuts is to Medicaid spending, and local health authorities say the results could be disastrous. Dr. Jose Rodriguez, a faculty member of the FSU Medical School, volunteers at the neighborhood health clinic in Frenchtown several days a week. He says any budget cuts at all will have a negative effect on service.
When we decide that we have to make cuts in the government, the people who pay are always the poorest and the disenfranchised. That's just the rule. Dr.
Rodriguez says the clinic already relies heavily on volunteers, but that can only go so far.
People who do operations for free, people who do office procedures for free, because they want to become part of the solution. My fear is that it's just so great, the need, that it's going to overwhelm our volunteer system.
Administrators at the Leon County Health Department say if proposed budget cuts go through, they may have to discontinue dental care for 1,700 children.
We have children whose teeth get bad, so bad that they infect the bone. And those bone infections can then actually get into systemic infections, and they'll end up in the emergency room.
County health administrators also point out that when legislators cut Medicaid funds, local health departments also lose matching federal funds.
So you have to understand that if the legislature saves $23 million by cutting Medicaid, well, in reality that costs the health departments $50 million because we don't get the federal match either.
The Medicaid issue is significant because the House wants to cut state Medicaid funding by 49% and the Senate wants to cut it by 26%. And if you'd like more information on this story or any other stories in our newscast, just go to our website, WTXL.tv, and click on the As Seen on ABC 27 button. Lauren?
All right. Thank you, Todd.